seeing the violence escalating, and today the police issued a statement, and they are talking about candidates who are not adhering to the guidelines issued by the Electoral Commission. And from the discussion that has been going on, they're talking about
president,
NUP, and the youth that you have apparently radicalized, ready to fight security forces, you know, and a number have already been arrested according to what we've had. Why have you chosen this part as NUP?
It's unfortunate that you state that we've chosen. No. For me, I think there is a lot that is not talked about and it needs to be looked into. First, let us analyze and say, why were the elections peaceful in the first place? Were they really peaceful? Okay, there wasn't a lot of violence like we are seeing as of today. But then also it's the fact that we see this violence in particular regions. And I think for me, it's something that needs to be analyzed as well from a political point of view. But what I have seen, because I've been to so many rallies, and I was in Iganga. In Iganga, I saw security officers shooting at people, live bullets. And the people hadn't done anything.
They threw stones.
No, where I was, because I have the video on my phone.
The police were showing videos where stones were being thrown.
But you see, for me, an issue is that someone is not going to throw a stone at you. That is if they did, and you react by shooting at them. Because for me, I believe that there are rules that do, control or that state how these people should be reacting.
Rules
for
of
me,
engagement.
Yes. For me, my issue has been that first and foremost, the security forces are very partisan. We have on several occasions been given routes where we're supposed to be passing, and you find the police blocking them and sending our president to, longer routes. So if the campaign is supposed to end by 6 and someone has a distance that they're going to cover for about 30 minutes, and then you elongate it to a distance of an hour and a half, then you're being unfair. This person is going to be forced to address people even beyond the time that you allocated them, because in the first place it was you that pushed them to those limits. But then also I have seen police and security forces firing tear gas in Kawempe, for example. No one had done anything. You can't claim that they threw stones at them. You can't claim that maybe they were attacked. No, I saw the police attacking the people who had done nothing, who were at the rally point, who were at the venue, not even having a procession, and they started firing, tear gas canisters at everyone. They started disorganizing the rally that was actually peaceful. So for me, my issue is that the security disorganizes the people and then reacts because the people have reacted to them. So, and I can't say that I've actually seen at any occasion where the people attacked the police. So for me, I think it's the fact that the security forces need to understand that they serve the country and not particular people, and also for them to be able to follow what it is that the EC has agreed, because wherever it is that we go, we do have defined routes that we're supposed to use as we go to our rallying grounds. And if we actually respected that, then I don't think we would have had problems. I was there when we were heading to Masaka. The police and security were beating up people, border guys who had actually done nothing at all. I mean, they would just find people and start beating them up.
Procession, you ferry people. Rallies in Masaka, you're moving with people from Kampala.
Yeah.
The rallies in Luero, you're moving with people from... Why don't you just go and find these people in the venues where you're supposed to address them?
So first and foremost...
What is Dr. Nambassa doing in Masaka?
I'm a party leader. I'm a party leader, so it is... Our president cannot move alone. That is something that we have to admit, that he has to move with at least some party leaders. It's like questioning, why is the president going with the deputy president of Western Uganda to Western Uganda? So there are just only a few people that the president moves with. He has to move with a media team, he has to move with some party leaders, and that is it. What I saw in Masaka was Lukaya is on the way as you're going to Masaka. So there were border people that got excited and they wanted to follow their president. I saw people in Masaka, because I followed the president when we were going to Masaka. We were only followed by about 30 security patrol cars. It was just our car and that of the president. There were no people that were ferried from anywhere. And that is, something that is being sold to the people to make it appear as though the National Unity Platform has no support. But I can assure you that wherever we have gone, so it's like saying that look at Arua, for example. Did we ferry those people from Kampala? Look at what happened in Iganga. Did we ferry those people from Kampala? Even what was in Masaka, if you did follow the trail, you'd see that the president actually came alone. Even the people from, neighboring areas, Busega, wherever, Mpiji, they were not allowed to follow him anywhere. They were being beaten. Right. But by the time we reached Masaka, the people were already there. And you can't control people's love for their president.
All right.